Everybody, we got breaking crypto news. It makes me so excited to share with you that it was all worth it, that we're doing it. Close to 8% in the last 24 hours. Mega manipulation. Went to sleep, just woke up looking at the prices, and we are higher than yesterday. And I'm here to tell you, we have gone through the pain, the struggle, the manipulation. We knew it was going to happen yesterday. We saw it live from the FOMC, the Fed, Jerome Powell. It played out to the odds, a little bit higher than the 25 people were expecting, 50 basis points. So I'm going to take my time because now where we go? What's next, Oscar? Are we supposed to not just ape in? Are we supposed to continue holding? Is this a bull trap? There's many questions which I really enjoyed answering in the live. But as you know, earlier today, actually at 2:30 a.m., we were watching it live. But if you are super excited for what's to come, I'm going to tell you, take my time and enjoy with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel, guys. Turn on those notification bells. We are ready for the last day of Token 2049, and it's because of you that it's happening. And I'm bringing you the latest content as always, guys. So I want to see your comments with whatever you have for us. Number one, economic macro, labor market, unemployment, CPI, PPI, and many more. So far from what we heard from Jerome Powell, things are going decently good, and they are expecting many more cuts, right? 100 or so, right? Combined plus. So we're going from the 5 all the way to the 3. That means that 62,000, the price that it is right now, which is much higher than 24 hours ago, which was 58, 59, it's gonna be much higher, closer to the 70,000, just because of the rate cuts that everybody was expecting. Know that it is the first rate cut in 4 years. In 4 years, the first rate cut. So it added a lot of value, a lot of, encouragement to consumers, to people buying homes, getting loans and all of that, for the mortgage rate, for many different things in the United States. That's not all, because you and I know that in November we have an election, and they discussed that. Are you gonna cut rates just before the election? Because I believe there's another FOMC in November, and Jerome said, hey, we're not looking at that. They're impartial, that they're not political, but we'll see. It is the government. They do whatever they want. For us guys, as crypto investors, as altcoin investors, I have really good news for you. Ready? This is not affecting altcoins much. This is not affecting altcoins much because it all starts with BTC. Ethereum is still at 2,300, Shiba Inu, XRP, we have Cronos, we have, Pepe, we have other different cryptocurrencies, cryptos that we talk in the channel, guys. They're not moving much. BTC is the one that needs to break out. BTC, Bitcoin is the one that has to make all the big headlines. And that's what's going on right now. As I'm going to go back to the last day of Token 2049 here, I want to listen to people, what they have to say, right? Because everybody was expecting a cut. Now, is this enough for people to start aping in some altcoins, some meme, and some new ICOs and projects? Possibly. Because less than 24 hours ago, now the price is 62. And there's one thing that you need to know, guys. Might be shocking for some. When Bitcoin runs, nobody can stop it. We can easily go to 65, 67,000 by the end of this week. Nothing stops it. Guess what? At that time, yeah, we're going to have some rejections. We're going to have some people are going to sell and take their profits. But it doesn't mean that we're going to go down to 40 or low 50s. It means that we are creating a new consolidation level. And yesterday in the live, some of you mentioned it's 60, Oscar. Well, it's 62 right now. That's the price. So it's super cool. There's also, surfing on the internet right now. It was posted on Watch Your Guru, how Donald Trump paid with Bitcoin. Donald J. Trump is being super bullish in crypto, and we talked a little bit about it yesterday, guys. I'm all for it, right? Whether you like him or not, you're for him or against him, whatever. The point is, no matter who is in charge of the White House, like I said yesterday, and there's many crypto people that agree with me on this, we're still gonna do fine. Might not reach per se, hypothetically, might not reach 400,000, but we will reach 200, 200,000. That's it. That's kind of like the example. I know there's a lot of money in between, but we're still going to be passing all-time highs. We're still going to be doing really, really, really well, right? That's the goal, to buy before it's getting super mega crazy, right? So stand by on that one, fam, right? I want to take this time also to remind you guys, because these are the opportunities that if you're saying, oh, Oscar, I think it's going to go lower. Well, there you go. Then you want to bet for the market and make some money in that prediction. Sign up right now to my Margex link down below. First one, guys, it takes a few seconds. No KYC, no VPN required. I have heard some people saying I cannot, or it's not available or so. Well, try using a VPN in that case, right? But it doesn't really matter. I don't really have to use one, right? So if that works for you, try it out. You know, close to 1 million people use it on a daily basis, and I see, guys, 200 people, close to 200 people using my link with the, you know, in the description, and 20 plus active traders. We of course want to have you guys continue and start, kick off your journey as investors in the futures market. Don't go too hard. Start with a minimum of 5x, and you can trade an array of different cryptos like Bitcoin, XRP, Shiba Inu, and many more. All right. And if you're of course into, okay, Oscar, I'm gonna use this tool, Margex, but when do I really could buy or sell? I recommend to do 5 to 15 minute candles. Wait, Ethereum is up by 3% to almost 2,400. So I'm recording this video horizontally, and all my alerts are coming vertically. We're going up, fam. We're going up. I heavily recommend PPF, my past, present, future indicator, collaboration with Lux Algo, guys. Once I get back home in Texas, I'll show you more about it. I've been doing that before, but right now it's much easier for me to kind of send you this video content on this format. But once my computer is good shape, when it comes to Wi-Fi, you will be able to see more and more. But it's the second link down below. Click it, and I recorded a video for you guys how to use it once you get it, and enjoy. There's actually a 30-day risk-free when it comes to my PPF indicator. I really want you guys to start winning. I really want you guys to start trying, and there's really not much to lose at the end of the day. Buy what you can afford losing, and if that is $1, that is $10, that is $1,000. The more money you put in, the more money you're expected to get out. Don't get greedy. But the good news is that if you're buying the top 100, if you're buying the top 50, if you're buying the top 20, you are buying projects that already made it, technically, and they will go much higher. Right now is the time to be greedy. If you're buying a top 1,000 meme going crazy that just launched yesterday, please do yourself a favor and don't be greedy on that. It just depends which one you start, okay? So very happy to see that 50 basis point. A lot of people are, reacting to it. Here in Singapore, it was super late when it happened, but we were live and we really, really enjoyed it. Went to bed at like around 4 in the morning. Right now it's close 8:30 in the morning. So haven't slept a lot, but really honored and a privilege to be sharing with you guys the energy, the passion. It's super, super cool. Like the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want more content. I'll bring you more as always because there's so much going on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.